Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever thought AI is for techies? I don't know coding, so I cannot go into this field. Or, what if I'm not so smart? It's too late to start. Or I'm not smart enough. I'm scared. I'll be left behind. So these kind of thoughts are not real you. These are just fear. And fear goes away when you take action with right guidance. We know that AI is the biggest revolution of our generation. And in this revolution, you have two choices. You can either be an observer or a builder. AI will definitely replace, we know that AI has already replaced so many jobs, and it will definitely replace those people who don't adapt AI or who don't upgrade themselves right now. In future, definitely those people will be replaced by AI. We know this thing. So now you have only one choice. You have to be a builder. Learn AI, build something. You cannot be just and sit and be an observer. Yes? And let me tell you something honestly. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to be expert in Python to start learning to go into this field, AI field. Yes, it's true. You just need right mindset, your dedication, a right mentor and step-by-step guidance. That's it. And you can easily start. And not just start, you can build something also. That's why I have designed a course, Generative AI for especially for beginners from basics to chatbot creation. So even if you don't know anything, if you are a simple, you don't know anything about AI, you don't even know what is AI, it's okay. You can still go for this course. I'll be covering everything here. Like, I'll tell you basics. What is AI first? What is machine learning? What is deep learning? What are neural networks? History of AI, and then what is generative AI, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, and the key concept: how ChatGPT generate these responses. What are LLMs? How the things are working behind the scene: tokenization, embedding, RAG, fine tuning. I'll tell you basics of everything. Obviously, like in machine learning, I'll not go into that much deep. I'll tell you like everything about machine learning. That is a different subject. But yeah, basics of each thing I'll tell you, because generative AI is subset of deep learning. Deep learning is subset of machine learning. Machine learning is subset of AI. So we cannot directly start generative AI. You have to understand to somewhat basics of what are these things: AI, ML, DL, neural networks, and all, and then you can enter into generative AI field. So I have discussed everything here. Okay, and then at the last, we are going to build our own chatbot also. Okay, a mini project, a chatbot. So it's like at the end you have some practical knowledge also. You will be applying your own knowledge. So we'll be coding here in Python language. So you have a basic understanding of Python, how to write code in Python. That's enough. You don't have to be very good in Python language. You will understand everything. Don't worry, right? But at least you have like basic knowledge of Python. That's it, right? And you will get here like my detailed notes as well, what you can download, my detailed notes, that PDF of the program also. I'll give you the chat GPT program. Okay, and quizzes also. And I'll give you a glimpse of future AI also, like AGI, ASI. That's really scary. So basically this is a complete journey from beginner to builder. At the end you'll have your own chatbot also. See, every company from Google to the startups, they are integrating AI. Recruiters wants you to understand generative AI tools and use them effectively. Okay, if you are going for any like any job or interview kind of thing, there also, if you have this knowledge, you have built some project on generative AI, then this kind of thing will give you an edge over other candidates as well. So if you are a student, this is your chance to get ahead of your batch. And this course is generally around 2000, but right now, because we have just launched it, so you'll get it just 599 rupees. And one more coupon code you can apply, AI10. Although this coupon code was just for 500 student, but this has expired. But students messaged me and they demanded that please extend this coupon code. So we have just extended for few days, just for first month of the launch of this course. So only few, I think, days are left. So still we have again activated this coupon code AI10. You can apply this and you will get extra 10% discount. But this coupon code is valid for just few days. So the only thing standing between you and your first AI project is the decision you make right now. Don't let this moment pass. Go to the description box, click on the link and enroll now. So hopefully I'll see you in the course. Till then, bye bye. Take care.